poppin' on my babies? It's your girl Receivers Connect with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody in them that we're ready over here. And without further ado, let me see. What's this? What is this? Okay, so hold on, y'all. This time my address on like everything. So I decided, I'm not gonna open this because I don't want to spill anything out of it, but y'all, I decided to like get back into doing my little Legos, building stuff. Like, I used to do this all the time, especially when I first got diagnosed with MS. I had came across AliExpress and I had seen like they had like little Legos, and I've had let me see, how many do I have? I think I have, what is it, 1, 2, 3, like 3 or 4 little Lego projects I've completed. If y'all interested in seeing a video of that, like seeing like some of the mini Lego pieces or things I've made, then just let me know if that's something you're interested in. But basically, these are Lego purses. So basically, after you put the Legos together, the final piece is going to be a purse. So I decided to pick the, what is this? The Lady Dior bag. And also, this is like the Gucci Afilda. If you know which one I'm talking about, with it, with this layout of the Gucci Afilda, whatever. If you're interested, let a girl know. Let your girl know. And then I'll just show y'all. Let me see the next one. Some address on it. Hold on. And I purchased this from Temu. Y'all, because I noticed I got a callus on the bottom of my feet. Or my foot. My one right foot. Well, there you don't. Y'all get what I'm saying. I'm tired. So under my right foot, I noticed that I have a callus kind of coming in. Because I think it's the way I walk. Like, I walk on, like, that ball joint right there. That right there. And, I think me walking on that part is causing that. So I decided to get these. You can actually put these in your shoe. So like when I wear my tennis shoes, even when I wear my Crocs, because they're removable, and I could just put that cushion right there just to relieve some pressure until I can go to a podiatrist, because y'all, my schedule been busy, but I'll keep y'all in the loop with that too. I'll probably try to vlog everything. Y'all know I vlogged my tooth when I took my tooth out. Now I'm Snaggletooth, but that's okay. That is okay. Then we got a package. My mom like, my mom, she gonna say they packaged it like it's some type of Scarface situation going on. I said, girl, they be extra, like super extra when it comes to these packages. Ooh. And that's exactly why you shouldn't cut towards yourself. Y'all see, I almost took my finger out. Hold on, because I don't want to damage anything. Hold on. You know, I got these long nails. Why would they do this? Because I don't know if I'm cutting anything or... There we go again. Still ain't lying. That's what happens when you being hard-headed. Hold on, y'all. I decided to get this. I thought it was so cute. Y'all know I love Kuromi. And it's a Kuromi mussel. Ain't this cute, y'all? Hold on, y'all really can't see it. Come on now. Excuse me. Y'all, look at this. It's a Kuromi mussel. Mussel body. This is so cute. Y'all, I had to get this. I thought it was so cute. Y'all know I love Kuromi. I'm still on the wait list for the Build-A-Bear, the Chromie giant size thing to come back in stock. It still hasn't. I'm so salty that I missed that. I don't know how I missed that, y'all. Mind you, I got the other one for my birthday. I didn't miss that release, y'all. I was on that. So I don't even know how that slipped out of my hands, but when it come back, if it come back, I'm going to be on it. So I said until then, I'm just going to get me a giant size little Chromie muscle. Because I don't say muscle man, muscle woman, but I don't know. But I just thought it was cute. And I was just like, this is cute. Because Chromie's a girl, I think. I don't know. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. I don't know. I believe Chromie's a girl. But muscles, like, I just had to get it. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, y'all, this is my miniature haul. Very, very miniature. I just really wanted to show y'all this. I thought it was cute. And they had also, if this is something you're interested in, because I got this from the Expressway, they had, what is it, Cinnamon Roll, the other character, Hello Kitty, and also whatever the yellow one is. So if you're interested, they had those other 3 characters. Hope y'all enjoyed this very miniature video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.